myself, isn't it fun to do improv and have... Thank you. Okay, this may be confusing because it's the title of another event, but previously your theme is character.
This is Mary Wilson doing their theme event. Their escort is nothing because we gave it to them, and they will get to write character. It's character!
This is it!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Improv!
Dylan, do you want to pose for me? I need a sketch for my comic book, please. Okay. No, you're a superhero. Be a superhero. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's good. It's good. What do you think?
Chris, you are doing it all wrong! It's Mom!
Let me try. More?
This is so wrong! Mom!
More?
That's disappointing!
Well, this is how I feel the character is. I am paying you allowance to do chores and you have not gone outside and done snow plowing. So get out there, go. It builds character to do it.
Yeah, I realize it. Kind of. You want to practice with me? Yeah, I really need you. All right. Are you Stacy or are you Philip? I'm Stacy. Oh. Okay. So, excitedly says, "Hey, hello." Oh my God!
I was Stacy. I got my lines down.
Hey.
I'm here for the audition.
Oh, good, the audition. Who will you be auditioning for?
I will be auditioning for that guy.
Oh, this is our new Bob.
Oh my God, Maya! I can't believe we're gonna see Mickey Mouse! Can I give you a hug?
I have a problem. I can't get into character for this role. She's supposed to be sad, but all I can do is, I'm so sad. Thanks, sad. Okay. I am so depressed.
Guys, observe. I have built a machine that will bring characters from books to life. Observe as I insert Lord of the Rings into the machine. And now hello there, oh, and Spiegel too, just for good
What then? You don't know? Yes. I know. Okay, you do need help. Come sit over here. Okay, what you need to do is you need to write 50,000 words. Go. 50,000 words. Okay, Nano. Go. You've got 10 seconds to midnight. 10 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 39,900.
What are you talking about? I'm not angry!
Okay, first you start with a circle. And then you draw another circle. I don't get it. How many circles was it?